got work in finance. God bless, no, this not by chance. Don't dab me, you're not my man. Don't at me, you're not my man. Mama said don't buy it if you cannot buy it twice. I cop by the tools and I don't pump fake with the price. Always on the grind, I put in work with all my might. I know that he got me.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is LJ and this is NoClutch Garage, and I am so excited right now to go to EuroMpire. This could be the last day that I'm working on the car. If you guys watched my video yesterday, I went to EuroMpire and basically put together the intercooler, which is, you know, within the intake manifold. I also did the spark plugs on it, as well as putting in the throttle body and kind of seeing how the charge pipe was going to fit with all the new hardware. Everything looks really good, and honestly there's not much left to do besides putting a few lines back together, like the oil line for the turbo, and just getting the clamps on there, and I think the downpipe, and that's it. But once that's done, all I really have to do, I probably won't do this, but I'll have, or Matt will probably install the Go Fast Bits electronic boost controller, and once that's on, all I have to do is load the BEF, the new software for the tune, and she's ready to be driven. Now, of course, it's a base tune, so I can't be going too crazy on it, but we have a few targets in mind and a few power targets that we're trying to hit. So we're gonna try to street tune it first, obviously, and then we're gonna put it on the dyno sometime next week. So I won't be able to beat on it, but I will be able to drive it. So, you know, I'll at least feel some of the new power within the car. But right now, driving to EuroMpire, let's do this thing. Right now we're gonna hook up the electronic boost controller. We're gonna have to route this down the same hole that I do the JB4 down here. So now the wire's coming through here. And just leave it here. And now we take this and we gotta route it up. Once I know I went through, bring it out. We'll plug these wires like so. I'm still not sure where I'm gonna put this. Maybe tuck it in here. Maybe right there. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. Looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. Dang, bro.
Did you put the oil line on?
Yeah.
Come on, Jamie, that was funny.
I still need you to check it though.
Okay.
Just to make sure. But I'm just trying to see how everything fits.
Oh yeah.
All the brackets, I mean all the braces look good. The charge pipe, I might need you to look at it because the bottom kind of fits funny. But
Yeah.
I don't know if...
It does fit funny. It kind of hits the power steering actually.
For the EBC, we can probably tap into that that line that goes into the turbo.
For the boost controller?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right, because the line's back there, the one that comes from the EBC.
Okay.
We can just probably tap into it.
Is that where you said to get it from?
He said he got it from the intake manifold. Looking good. gonna do like absolutely nothing for heat shielding.
Well, it's right above the turbo, so it'll probably help a little bit. He's got it there for a reason.
Yeah.
I guess to keep heat away from the intake that's gonna be sitting right here.
I feel like the charge pipe's really awkward.
It is.
I think maybe if you tilt the elbow towards us, like, you know how it's like that? You make it more like this.
So if you look at your sway bar here, tilt it more this way, it's going to be more on the upward of the sway bar.
Yeah, it's gonna rub.
And I'm wondering if this was probably not designed to run an all-wheel drive car, where the sway bar doesn't live there.
But there's kits like, there's stage 3s on xDrive cars though.
Well, it'll get on there.
Yeah.
It's just,
This is really tough.
it's going to be a motherfucker.
I think it's better if we do it from the bottom.
No, there's no room to reach anything from under there. Like, you could see how it's actually hitting down here and closing this gap. See it?
Yeah, I see it from here. Finally got in. That fucking sucks.
Dude, it's in, but it's literally like...
Is it like getting caught in that?
Dude, it's like this far into the pipe right here.
Yeah. Oh, that one in a good fit, but it's coming out. It's coming off on the right side. Really?
Really?
What the fuck?
Motherfucker.
What the fuck? Oh my god. That was weird. First big turbo startup.
Ready?
All right, here goes. Proud of you, man.
You did it all?
Nah, man. So fucking happy, guys. Still only one, right?
It's that heater.
Yeah. I'll probably connect it and just let it hang.